So, what are we doing, Nick?
Come down here. Come. We have placed, over here, we have placed a bag of McDonald's in the plains of Gisborne. We are trying to catch a bird. Already we see the birds over there starting to look at the bag. They think it's tasty and it's vulnerable. He's thinking, I will eat those leftover burgers that Jock forgot to finish. And still we wait. And my legs are becoming quite sore from crouching. The bird starts to move in. Testing to see his environments. Who's beside him? He begins to roar as we see the birds start to fight each other over the food. Now, of course, this is a controlled environment. We are not going to litter and let them fly away with the bag. So when he goes for the bag, oh, look, he's going for the bag. I will stop him. Already the bird is coming quite close, yes. He's giving it a sniff. He's opening the bag. Now is my time to strike. Birdie, no! Birdie! Birdie, no! Birdie!